upgraded my whole setup for solar batteries and everything. So I've got the batteries all in here. Four batteries down here, the inverter and solar charger, which I've had to be really conservative on battery power the last few days with so much rain and cloudiness. But I've still got it up to 92%. And I got that, yeah, I've tried that toaster oven a few times. It uses about like 20% of the batteries to cook something for almost 20 minutes. So it's not too bad, it can still cook. But I've been trying to save most of the battery power for cutting stuff with my chop saw to build stuff. I've been assembling this as I go, so there's a lot to do when you're trying to live off grid and build at the same time. But the batteries have been working great just for this and charging my drill. This has been going pretty well. And then another thing is rainwater. So after it's been raining so much, and after I had this tarp set up, I noticed how much rain was coming off there, so I started collecting it in these bins. And the first time it was pouring, and one of these filled up in like 10 minutes, maybe less. And then I emptied another bin because I wanted to save more water, so I filled up 2, and then it kept raining, so I wanted to catch more, so I started using that. But now it stopped raining. I should have a break from the rain. But yeah, I think rainwater, just collecting rainwater is a good source of water. It might be almost enough to keep on going, keep me supplied with enough water. So then I've filled this up as well, and then I've been using this spout for washing my hands and washing dishes.